Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2015 GMC Sierra 1500 in an SLE trim and powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, mud flaps on the front and rear, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have spacious seating for three with a nice full leather or vinyl interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet down in the middle. And the seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Sitting in the truck with it running now, and looking at the odometer, says it is sitting at 122,450 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, trip A and B information, fuel range, oil life, tire pressures, fuel economy, off-road status. And then you can also go to your audio, phone, navigation, and settings. And then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls, and you do have your hands-free radio controls on the back side of the steering wheel. And then moving completely left of the steering wheel, you have your trailer brake controller, 4x4 controls with 4Auto, and your lighting controls. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and I believe also CD, auxiliary, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your OnStar navigation screen, but then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And moving down from that, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate controls. And then you do also have heated front seats so you can stay cozy in the colder months. And then you have your traction control shut off, your cargo lights, and your hill descent assist. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. But moving back and down, you have this compartment here, and then you have a 12-volt power outlet and a 115-volt power outlet down there, I believe. And moving on to your center console area, where you have three cup holders, three cubbies, and your center compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious inside with a 12-volt, two USBs, and auxiliary and an SD card slot, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio from there. But then lifting this up out of the way, you get your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath that for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.